Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear brother and sister. So as you can see, this is a airport area, and here fully weather natural, okay, and huge trees, okay, and banana trees, and here brinjal, okay, all everything here, okay, and my beside ponds, one ponds, okay, and here uh, one kind of here some fish, okay, and here a building, okay. This name is Irshal Colony Electricity Upokendra, okay. So come to our main point. Actually, I want to share my mistake. Actually, 1 month ago I could not something, okay, but right now I am here. Actually, only just one habit create, like every day I make video, okay, 2 3 videos and upload my YouTube channel, okay. And actually my mistake, first mistake, every day I tried long sentence make, okay, but 1 month ago fully I'm a beginner learner, okay, but every day I tried long sentence make, okay, that is my big mistake, okay. So I tell you, if you are a beginner learner, you can try first time short mistake, because first time like you and me, very beginner learner, okay. So I cannot uh, long sentence create, right? So first time we try short sentence create, okay. And my second mistake compare with other person, like my friend and my roommate or my colleague or my on other person, like anyhow person, okay. So that is my very big mistake, okay. Actually, our should compare with yesterday, right, my dear friends, okay. So but every day I compare other person, that is my very big mistake, okay. But right now I not compare with other person, every day I compare my yesterday, okay. So that is my improvement, okay. And third mistake is a very important. Actually, every day I don't read, okay. That is my mistake, because my me beginner learner, okay. So that's why every day our should something learning, like vocabulary, like short story reading. So that's why every day our vocabulary improve, like, right. But I don't read every day, okay. But I try every day something learn, or like short story reading and long story reading and beginner type story reading. So three types, three mistake my English learning journey experience. So if you are a beginner learner, you can follow this mistake. I hope you learned something this video and enjoyed with me. So I want to just only one thing, don't wait perfect time, because the perfect time never comes. So that's why keep learning, keep practicing every day, consistent, and uh, never give up, okay. uh, See you in the next video. So thank you so much everyone, and next video, see you soon. So tata, bye bye, Allah hafiz, assalamu alaikum.